Welcome, here I've got Realme C25Y and let me show you how to change volume button function in camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go up to right corner button, so we can open camera settings. Now at the second position we have volume key function, so when we pick it, we can decide between shutter, which is now volume, or zoom. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to camera. Once again, let me try to use volume keys from the right. And as you can see, now I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back so I can use zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.